Hello, friends. Welcome back to Gruhinis World. It's weekend. Everyone wants to have something special. So, I'm gonna show you how to make best chicken curry without any masala preparation. What are we waiting for? Let's start making our simple and delicious chicken curry. Friends, believe me, this is most simple and best chicken curry I sometimes make when I'm lazy and don't want to make all masalas. Please do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe Gruhini's World. Thanks for watching.